You know that the area of ABC, which is this area here, is equals to 120 centimeter square. It's asking you what is the, then in this case, what is the area of this? Very easy question. You know why? Because I know that the area is half times base. What is the base of the ABC? Base of ABC is AC times what is the height? The height is from here. The height is over here, right? Wait. The height is from this point to this point. Am I right? So I say height is, let me put B to D. Correct? So this is 120 centimeters square. So what about the area of A, E, and C? Okay, let me label this first. This is ABC. I have half. What is my base? My base is the same. It's A to C. A to C. Then what is my height then? My height is what? My height is actually the same. Because from the base to the tip, can you see that B is actually equals to E when I stand out? So from the lowest point to the highest point, which is from here, D is also equals to C when I stand out. This triangle also have the same height, which is also I can say is B to D. So it's also 120 centimeters square. If you cannot see by this, there's another very easy method to see. Can you see that these two figures share the same one? They share the same base. The height is also the same. If they share the same base and the same height, they should have, it's actually this triangle here, right? You pull it to the back. Then you become like that. It stretch out to become like that. But the area never change. Understand? Can you see that? Because the base is the same. Just stretch out over here. Okay? Then the second question is, what is the triangle of DEC? It's also very simple. DEC, which is this portion, is actually just half of what we have for AEC. So what I do is 120 divided by 2 equals to 60 centimeters square. That's all. Easy, right? Okay, for this question, we know that ACDF is actually a rectangle, which is means here. Okay. And then AF, E, and BCD are both identical triangle. Over here is triangle. They are both identical. Okay. And it says that the ratio of the length of DC, you see, D and C, is actually 2 over to the power of 2 colon 5 to that of the DE. So in this case, right, what it says is what? 2 over 5 is what? DC and then DE. So here is 8 centimeter, right? Because over here is already 8 centimeter. So here is what? So it's what? Remember that? Times, divide. So 8 times 5 divided 2 will give me 20 centimeter. Which means over here, this portion here is actually 20 centimeter. Okay? So it's asking me to find the area of the what? The area of the total rectangle, which is the area of the shaded area. So if I were to find the shaded area, right, over here I know that is 8 centimeter. Over here is also 8 centimeter because you see this thing here. Do you see this thing here? That means it's the same as this, which means that over here is also 8 centimeter. Okay. In this case, it's 28 centimeter times 8 centimeter. I will have 28 times 8. I will have 224 centimeter square. What is this? This is the area of A, C, D, F. This whole portion here. Okay? So once I already know ACDF is actually 224 centimeter square, right? I want to remove the unshaded portion. Can you see clearly that this unshaded portion is actually identical? Which means that when these two triangles come together, right? Remember, one portion here is 8. Just cut 8. It's actually one square. It comes together with one square. So I just need to find the area of one square. 8 times 8 equals to 64 centimeter square. This is what? Unshaded portion. So the total area of shaded portion will be, I use this total, okay, minus of, total is 224, minus of 64, it will give me 224 minus 64, will give me 160 centimeter square. Okay, 160. So the answer is 160 centimeter square. Your answer given is 96, so you are wrong. Okay.